Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you two tricks for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. The first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone to control the music or the movie. You can use gestures, and right here at the back side where we have XIAOMI, here's touch areas. So with it you can play or pause the song or the movie, you can play next or previous track. You can also volume control your music, but you need to add it to the gestures, and I will show you how. You can call voice assistant, you can take a photo with it also. So, to add volume control or to customize your gestures, you need to open XIAOMI Earbuds application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. We need to go to the gestures, and right here, as you can see, I already customized it. So by default, single press disable, and it's set to none, like this. So you just tap and you select something. I add volume control for the single press. Also, by default, you cannot play previous track, so you need to add it. I add it for the double press for the left earbud. Also, right here we have ANC, and this is a beta feature, but we have it, and as you can see, we can enable it by gesture, but we can also do it right here to go. We need to go to beta features and right here enable it, and it works. I tested, so it's a good one. Now, if you lose your earbuds, you can find them using application. You need to scroll down, click find earphones, and you can play a sound for your left earbud or right earbud or for both. It's up to you, and this sound will increase each time, so don't worry about it. And when you found it, just pause it, and that's it. Also, the next trick is only for Android users, but not for all of them. Because this earbud support LHDC audio codec, it's high resolution audio codec, but your phone should support this technology also. So without it, you cannot use it. And of course, Apple devices doesn't support high resolution audio codecs, so it doesn't support LHDC, and that's it. Also, if these earbuds have dual connection, but you need to enable it in the settings, because by default it's disabled, and you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. The last one, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory set. You need to put your earbuds to the case, and right here we have connection button. You just press and hold it for at least 10 seconds, and then you will reconnect you need to reconnect your earbuds to your phone. If you don't know how to do this, at this channel we also have a video about it, so you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!